S&P 500 on tempo to confirm undergo marketplace on recession concerns. Wall Street's most important inventory indexes fell sharply and the S&P 500 was on track to confirm a under market on Monday on fears that the Federal Reserve's competitive interest charge hikes might tip the financial system into recession. The benchmark index is extra than 20% beneath its record ultimate excessive on January 3, the second one such intraday decline since the pandemical drought on Wall Street in 2020. A near of more than 20% underneath the all-time high could verify the index is in a undergo marketplace, based on a typically used definition. All the essential S&P sectors have been sharply lower, with energy and customer discretionary leading the declines, as issues over inflation, price hikes and the Ukraine struggle unnerved buyers. Market heavyweights Apple Inc., Nasdaq, AAPL, Alphabet, Nasdaq, Google Inc., Microsoft Corp., Nasdaq, MSFT, and Amazon.com Inc., Nasdaq, AMZN, fell among 2.4% and 5.9%. This is the type of agnostic promoting you see when everybody desires out of the entirety even the best performing quarter of the S&P 500. Electricity is in the end on the market, said Art Hogan, leader market strategist at National Securities. This is the continued pricing of risk that takes place when inflation continues to run hotter than expectations, and inside the wake of that, the Fed will possibly have to be more aggressive. A hotter than expected inflation print on Friday brought about traders to charge in a total of 175 basis factor (BPS) in interest rate hikes with the aid of September, with many expecting a bigger than estimated 75 bits per second fee increase on June 15. There was a few hypotheses the Fed may speed up their charge upward thrust, perhaps even an additional region percent at this subsequent meeting, which I might recommend as not sufficient that allows you to truly drastically sluggish down inflation, said Chris Campbell, leader strategist at Kroll in Miami. The 2-year 10-year U.S. Treasury yield curve in short inverted for the first time in view that April, which many inside the markets see as a reliable signal that a recession should come in the subsequent year. U.S. The Fed's interest fee decision is due on June 14-15, with recognition on the rate and scale of fee hikes that policymakers agree with might be needed to quash red-hot inflation. The Nasdaq Composite Index showed it became in under marketplace territory on March 7 and has declined nearly 28% this year. At 11:47 a.m. ET, the Dow Jones Industrial Average became down 658.82 points, or 2.10%, at 30,733.97. The S&P 500 became down 116.47 factors, or 2.99%, at 3,784.39, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 443 points or 3.9% to 10,897. The CBOE Volatility Index, additionally called Wall Street's Fear Gauge, spiked to 33.47 points, its highest stage on the grounds that May 12. Graphic, S&P 500 timeline 20 image percent 201,655,126,727,434. Cryptocurrency and blockchain-related shares, along with Riot Blockchain, Nasdaq, Riot, Marathon Digital Holdings and Coinbase, Nasdaq, Coin Global, fell between 11.6% and 14.2% as Bitcoin slumped more than 10%. Declining troubles outnumbered advancers for a 17.07 to 1 ratio at the NYSE and for a 7.49 to 1 ratio at the Nasdaq. The S&P index recorded 1 new 52-week highs and 73 new lows, even as the Nasdaq recorded 11 new highs and 662 new lows.